Hello! So now for our lesson 10, we have the question word ano. Ano means what? So we have few expressions from this question word. So when you say ano pa, what else? What more? Do you need some more other things? Okay, you say ano pa. When someone will ask you this, it means he is asking for more additional, or say the waiter or the sales lady or the vendor will ask you ano pa sir, ano pa po, ano pa ma'am. So it means what else? Do you need something more? Or you can also use this when you are in the restaurant. If they have other things to offer you, you say, and then you want to ask what else, what more do they offer? So you say, ano pa? And ano na, you say the word ano na when you are irritated. What now? When something happened and you don't know what you're going to do, you say, ano na? What's next? What now? Okay. And for the question, sentence, so you say, ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? So you say nga from the sound of sing, bring, ring, and then you add a sing nga ngalan. So you say ano ang pangalan mo, or you want to be polite, you can add po after the question word. Ano po ang pangalan mo? Okay. Other sentence formation of question word ano. So we have here ano ang pangalan ng hotel. So you notice question word ano and then the ang and pangalan and then the object plus the word ng. So you say ano ang pangalan ng magandang resort. So here this is the noun and I added an adjective. So same also with the same also in English. So you can insert an adjective before the noun. So you say ano ang pangalan ng bisita. Okay, what's the name of the visitor? So you say ano ang pangalan ng babae, ano ang pangalan ng manager, ano ang pangalan ng restaurant, ano ang pangalan ng island. Okay, so same sentence pattern. So some expressions, okay, that you always hear with the Filipino, we say ano ang sabi mo? What did you say? What do you say? Or sometimes you hear us only say ano sabi mo? Okay, ano ang sabi mo? Ano ang sabi mo? Okay. Now, if you want to be polite, you can insert po here. You say ano po ang sabi mo? Okay. Ano daw? Someone said that, you didn't hear it, then you want to someone to say that again. So you say ano daw? So what did she say? Okay, ano daw? Okay, ano kaya ang magandang gawin? So when you say ano kaya ang magandang gawin? So when you say ano kaya ang magandang gawin, you're thinking or you say, oh, wonder what's the best thing to do. You are in the middle of say a situation or problem and you don't know what to do, or you're just there sitting and you're thinking what to do. So you say ano kaya ang magandang gawin? Ano kaya ang magandang gawin? And then if you want to ask the opinion of others, what they feel, what they think about something, so you say ano sa palagay mo? What do you think about this? What do you feel about this? Can you give your idea about this? So you say ano sa palagay mo? Ano po sa palagay mo? You can also say that. Ano ang iniisip mo? What are you thinking when you see someone in a deep thought? You say ano ang iniisip mo? Or it can also mean that you're asking what's the idea of another person. Ano ang iniisip mo? Okay.